What's going on, guys? Will's Garage here. So in this video I'm going to be installing the carbon fiber trunk to replace my OEM trunk. As you can see here is the carbon fiber trunk, and if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I installed the carbon fiber hood, as you can see here, and I purchased both the hood and the trunk from Edenhofer Motosports. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about Edenhofer Motosports and where I purchased it from, go ahead and watch the other video that I posted where I installed this carbon fiber hood. I'll leave a link right on the upper right hand side. I am going to really miss this carbon fiber lip though. This is the OEM BMW carbon fiber lip that goes right on top of the trunk. I do not plan on transferring this over, so this is the last time I'm going to be seeing what it looks like on the car. But yeah, anyways, let's get into installing the new trunk. Alright, so I already removed the felt lining right here previously to reduce the weight. So I'm not going to have to remove that again, but if you guys are doing swapping out your trunk, you're going to have to remove that first. There's just a few rivets that you're just going to have to remove all around these holes here. And similar to the front, looks like there's just a couple bolts on each side and the hood struts. But it seems like the complicated part is the wiring here. I'm gonna figure it out as I go along, and looks like this thing needs to be transferred over. I'm not sure about these little bump stops. They probably need to be transferred over, but again, I'm gonna figure it out as we go along. This light first. 10mm nut. This is a plastic bracket with a 10mm nut that holds the tail light in. And for the tail light, there's just one connector that you need to remove. Alright, so now that I have the struts out, you just gotta remove two of these 11mm bolts on each side. Okay, so I'm trying to install the light to the new carbon fiber trunk, and I'm finding that I have to do another modification, and that is to shave off some of this paint and carbon fiber to make a recessed section so that this plastic notch can slide on. The stock OEM bumper has a recessed notch there, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to use a razor blade to cut out a section. We're going to put the bracket to secure the tail light. For the license plate lights, I had to shave out the holes to widen them up in order to fit the lights in. It's the centerpiece right here. But the only thing left is, I think I'm just going to drill a few holes just to secure the wiring up in here. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. I have all the wiring pinned in. I know this is probably not the most aesthetically pleasing method, but I didn't want to bother putting the OEM plastic wire holding piece back in. Alright guys, so the only thing remaining is I'm going to drill the holes for the license plate holder. I'm just waiting for the grommets to come in. But this is what it looks like now. Just got to clean the trunk up. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.